Hello, good morning. Welcome to Learn Math channel. Yesterday we discussed the problem cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Then show that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Today also we are going to discuss the same problem in a different way. Let us see the solution. What he has given, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Same thing, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta is equal to k. Here I changed cosecant theta and cot theta in terms of sin and cos. Why? Because our answer should be in terms of cos theta. So I am changing the cosecant and cot in terms of sin and cos. Now find out the LCM. What is the denominator? Both the denominators are same. We need not to worry anything. You can write down the denominator as it is, as well as numerators also as it is. Here the numerator is 1 plus cos theta is equal to k. So 1 plus cos theta is equal to k into division becomes 2 multiplication. Now doing squaring on both sides. That is 1 plus cos theta whole square is equal to k square sin square theta. Clearly it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is 1, value of b is cos theta. So a square, 1 square means 1, b square that is cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 into a value 1, 2 ones are 2, b value cos theta, 2 into cos theta, 2 cos theta is equal to k square into, here sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Why I was changing this one means here we have to prove that cos theta. So sin also I changed in terms of cos theta. 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, k square into 1 k square into cos square theta, k square cos square theta. Now take all these terms to this side. That is minus k square cos square theta becomes 2 k square cos square theta minus becomes 2 plus here cos square theta is there plus here 2 cos theta as it is, here plus 1 minus plus k square becomes 2 minus k square is equal to 0. Minus k square theta plus k square cos square theta and plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus 1 plus k square becomes 2 minus k square. Now take cos square theta as common. Here k square plus nothing is there, we have to write 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 1 minus k square is equal to 0. Now if you observe that one, it is clearly in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in a quadratic equation form. Here the variable, here the value is simply cos theta, the quadratic equation in terms of cos. So here the cos theta will get 2 roots. Clearly what is the value of a? K square plus 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1 minus k square. So a is equal to k square plus 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1 minus k square. If you observe the quadratic equation, everybody try to do in the problem by using the x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. To solve the quadratic equation, mostly we will use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We can do in that method. But if you observe the quadratic equation values of a, b, c, clearly do it a plus c. A value k square plus 1, c value 1 minus k square. Clearly plus k square minus k square cancel, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is a plus c is equal to 2 is nothing but the value of b. So in any quadratic equation, if you got a plus c is equal to b, then minus 1 be the root. Already this was discussed, we learned in the 9th class. In a quadratic equation, if a plus c is equal to b, then minus 1 will be the root of the quadratic equation. So out of cos theta 2 values, we got already one root. What is that? Minus 1. That is cos theta is equal to minus 1. We got one root. I think you understand. Suppose next continuation, observe clearly. Here go for product of roots. What is the product of roots formula? C by A. Already we got one root is minus 1. Another root is, already you know that because cos theta we will get two values. Already out of cos theta two values, one value has given as minus 1. Second root is equal to cos theta is equal to, what is the value of C? 1 minus k square by, what is the value of A? K square plus 1. Minus 1 into cos theta minus cos theta. Now take minus as common, you will get k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. Finally you will get cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is one of the best solution for cosecant theta and cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, to show that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. It is the one of the good solution by using the quadratic equation, and it is the simplest way to solve the any quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my video. Thank you.